Hey guys, this is Chad Henry again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Here to show you this 2014 Ram 1500 Sport that we just picked up. This truck's fully loaded with every option you can put on it. I think navigation, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Of course, it's got Bluetooth, the satellite radio, adjustable trailer brake right there in the front. This truck does have 79,000 miles on it, but extremely clean, super clean. Power sunroof, comes with the adjustable pedals, power folding exterior mirrors. Of course, you can see how good the leather is. We did a couple of extra things to it as well. We tinted the front windows on it. We bought the truck, it just needed a set of tires, and we took it a little bit further and did a 2-inch front leveling kit. Kind of hard to see in the shadow here, but upgraded the wheels to some really sharp looking custom 20x10 Moto Metals with the really nice 33 by 1150 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. They are all brand new. That has reverse camera on it. Does have a tonneau cover. Here you can see a better shot of the wheels. I think they're really sharp looking. Black with a little bit of the red on them. Stands out a touch. Got the nice step-up bars on it. This truck is equipped with the Hemi V8 engine, of course. The sport hood. It does have a custom exhaust and intake on it. So, really sharp unit. So come by and check it out today. You can see it in person at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. On our website, you can get at least 24 photos of it at www.holidaymotors.com, or you can call and text us directly at 757-487-7333. We offer financing. We give the best deals on your trade, and we're here to earn your business. Holiday Motors, since 1974, celebrating 45 years. Come see us today. We'd love to meet you and welcome you to the family.